Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you what I got for my 4th of July. Alright, I got these swords. I got 3 of them in California. I've never seen these before because we only have this Safe and Sane. And this is the poster that they gave me over there. This is not TNT. This is something else. DFS. Pretty cool. Alright, this is what I got. I got the swords. Alright, I got Magic Whip. I got I think I got 4 of them. Yeah, I got 4 of the Magic Whip. And I got some Piccolo Petes. I got 4 of Piccolo Petes. 4 Piccolo Petes. And I got some Poppets. You gotta have some Poppets. Well, it's called Snaps, but they call Poppets, whatever. I got 2 of these. I don't know what it does. Seems pretty cool. I got 2 of those. 2. Alright. Everyone has to have crackling balls. Everyone. I got 4 of those. And then I got smoke balls. Got 2 packs. I got 1 more pack. Actually, more crackling balls. And then I got some ground bloomers, but these are different. They say it cracks. I'll show you a video of that. I got 2 more. I got 1 cricket. Pretty cool. And then the last one, the Joker. Never seen this before. By Black Cat. It was only $23. Good deal. Alright, that's from my DFS side. And now for the other video of TNT.